Hello friends, today we're going to make a really super cute ornament. We're going to take some of this crinkle stuff that I got in a package. I saved it and I decided to save it for something. I didn't know what, but now I know what we're going to be using it for. We're going to put it inside this ornament. You can get clear ornaments at the Dollar Tree. These came from Michael's. I put my picture on my scanner and then I printed it out of me and my granddaughter, Miss Jasmine. And I just cut the picture to the size that I thought I would need. And I seen that it was a little long, so we're going to cut a little more off. And then we're going to roll our picture up and we're going to put it down inside here. Then once I put it down inside here, you guys, I realized I made a vital mistake. So you're going to see me fight with this here for just a couple of minutes. And then I decided to finally pull it back out. But, you know, it just takes me a minute to get there, you guys. I'm going to fight with it and fight with it and fight with it. And finally I was like, oh my goodness, can't do this any longer. So there we go. I'm going to pull it right out of there. We're going to roll it the opposite direction. You want to roll it with your picture on the outside because otherwise it will crinkle up with your photo showing the wrong way. There we go. That is much better there. It's starting to lay good. And then we're going to start putting some... Oh, I put the cap back on. I thought, wait, that needs more in there. So I decided to pull the cap back off. And we're going to add some of these little cute red balls down in here. I'll get it, y'all. I really will. It turned out super cute, you guys, but it just took me a moment. It's been a while since I've made one of these. I couldn't remember exactly how I done it, and I'm finally getting it back together now. I hope that you guys will make these with your family members or with your friends. I was actually looking for some kind of white snow. You can buy the snow at the Dollar Tree. You can buy it at Walmart, different places. And I was going to put it down inside here, and I was just going to put us down inside the snow. Then I decided I wanted to drop a couple of these little branches down in here just to kind of make it look like a little mixture of a Christmas tree and some berries. And then we put it back together. Then I decided to grab a branch. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to put on here. I messed with it for a minute. And I was going to wrap it around it. And I thought, no, I don't like the way that looks. So I pulled that back off. And then I thought, oh, let's just put a hanger on this real quick. So I took a piece of this really thin jute and I made me a hanger. And then I'm going to go back in. I'm going to pull this little branch apart, and we're going to use these small green pieces to put up here at the top. Add just a small piece of glue, or a little bit of glue, I'm sorry. And then just hold that on there for a second, and it's going to be super duper cute, you guys. We're going to add 3 of these little berries. Going to be super cute. Add some more glue, add our last berry, and there it is, you guys. Look how cute that is. I think it's adorable. I'm trying to wipe it clean, but then I realized that some of the stuff got inside, but that's okay. This is what it looks like, you guys. I am so proud of this. I love my little granddaughter, and I'm excited to put it on the tree. Guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this quick video.